So if you're having trouble with your sending unit, which is this floating on the tank, it tells you how much gas you have in the tank. I'm going to show you how to test that real quick. It's a mess in here right now, but we'll get there. This is a 1991 Mazda Miata. So let's test the unit itself to see if we get any reading when we move it. This is the fuel pump. This is the sending unit. As you can see, it moves, it changes the resistance, and that's how the gauge can tell you the level. The wire for that is the brown one. The wire to power the pump is this type of blue wire. And we're going to take a multimeter. Now, if you have two people, you can have someone hold the leads in here. These leads are too thick, so I have to go from behind. Put one in there, put one in there, and one in there. So we have a reading resistance on about 89. As I'm moving this, we are, I think, full. We're at 2. Let it go, back to empty. That's 109. So the sending unit is working because the readings are changing in order. They're not jumping all over the place, and it's not giving just erratic numbers or no numbers at all. So full, well, way above full, and then we go to empty, and that's basically empty. So this fuel sending unit is good, and that's basically how you test it. Set this here. You can also do it with just to check the continuity. It will give you some sort of resistance. There we go. Pretty close to open loop. And then all the way empty. There you go. Yeah, that's an easy and quick test.